Here's Jakey in the car and he's just had a cup of tea and he's got Lucy's photo in his bag. There she is.
Yeah.
What are you laughing at, mate?
He looked so fresh.
Uh-oh. Oh dear. Poor Lucy. A little burp in the face, was it? Is that it? That's a bit rubbish. Oh, stuck back down in the bay area. You finished then? Should we go? Have you got more? More?
More of what you love. More radio.
Oh, there goes the radio. Poor Lucy, it's her birthday on Saturday and you're burping in her face. Hardly seems fair. Right in the mush. Oh dear, she's still smiling though, look at that.
Right, right.